I'm going to pull out of bucket water to splash the water instead. Lightning Celestia. Ha 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 ha. Now, I'm going to change my voice to principal.
Alright, 5th graders everyone. Today, we are going to do is subject from English. Get your books on page 210.
Attention please. Lightning Celestia will be meeting on class. Lightning Celestia will be first.
Strange. Is it real principal or is it say that kind of a joke? Let's see the principal's office. I am so wet. I am feeling. Not. Feeling. Cold.
Ha 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 ha. The lightning Celestia is wet now. You're a crybaby. Ha 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 ha.
Baldi scary. How dare you call me crybaby? That's it. You are expelled from 10 years. Go home now or else I will kill you with lightning blue dust.
Ugh. What does that noise? My ears are bleeding. Could you something tell me explain what happened Lightning Celestia?
Baldi scary was pull out of water or even splash the water. And also, my dress is feeling cold and wet.
Oh my gosh, Baldi scary. How dare you splash the water from Lightning Celestia? That's it. You are expelled from 10 years. Get out the school right now or else I will call your parents to ground you. Oh, Baldi scary. We cannot believe you splashed the water from Lightning Celestia. That's it. You are grounded for 2,333 years. Go to your room.
Hello. My name is Lightning Celestia. My voice was Kimberly. And my new character from picture was made from video mine and Eden.
Hello. I'm Moonlight Luli. My voice was Steven. And I am your own Lightning Celestia's brother. So, I hope enjoyed from thanks for watching. Goodbye peeps.